This show is just a wonderful celebration of culture and background and Jewish culture and Jewish history. And as an American mutt who has a background of German, Scottish, Irish, and countless other things, I think as an American mutt, we do find a need to look for a culture because America is a melting pot, and in a way, those culture kind of disappears, and that is a culture in and of itself. This American kind of thing, leaving your country, which many of our ancestors did. They left the country, wouldn't speak their language. They had to become American. But there's so much that was lost, and I would like to go backwards and say that that's very important to not lose it, and if you can, recover it. Because while there is a great American energy that we can take on, there's so much to be learned from the past and our ancestors and their culture.